Hi friends, very good evening. Welcome back to CAP classes. Today I am here with much awaited video on how this free test series and study plan works. Thank you so much guys for the superb response you have given to this test series, and can you believe 1000 plus registrations already done and there are more than 1200 enquiries. So it shows the kind of trust and the kind of faith you have in me and in my study plans. Thank you so much for that. Having said that, now I want to explain how the whole scheme works, how the whole plan works. As you know, there are two important phases in achieving anything. One is planning and one is implementation. So planning should be robust, and I have taken all the care and I have used all my experience in putting this plan in a very proper and realistic shape. So the burden to the student is very less. So when you follow this timetable, you will not feel tired, you will not feel exhausted, you will not feel, oh my god, I need to study this much every day. No, it is something like, a building is built brick by brick. You cannot construct a wall and assemble it. Not possible. A building should be built brick by brick. So what we are doing in this plan, we are constructing your preparation brick by brick. So let me tell you how I have made this plan and how this question paper will be given to you, how to evaluate these answers, and how you'll be communicated from CAP classes. If you want to communicate how to do all these things, I want to explain today, because so many students are asking multiple doubts. So I tell you, there are more than 1000 enquiries on how the process works. So students are asking, how will I get question paper? How will I evaluate answer sheet? Okay, so all these things, if I have doubts, what to do? So for all these things, the solution is, watch this video till the end. In the next 5 to 10 minutes, I'll explain you everything. So now look here, I am taking you to a new tab. Okay, so in the new tab, first I'll show you here. Let me take you to Google Forms. So where is my Google Forms? Google Doc. Go to Google Doc. In Google Doc, Google Forms will be there. So this is our registration form. Okay, this is the form you guys have filled. Contact information. Okay, you remember this is the registration form you have filled. Okay, now look here. Look here, the responses. Can you see the responses here? Can you see the responses? When you go to the responses, 1118 responses with this, statistics, demographics. Like CA Inter, 68.2% students. That means 763 students enrolled. And can you believe the registrations are not only from India. Registrations are there from Nepal. Registrations are there from Dubai. Registrations are there from Sri Lanka. Can you believe? And registrations are there from 21 states of India. I'm extremely happy for the kind of support what I am getting. I know I am not famous pan-India. I am famous only in particular states. I know that. But the students have shared this in their social media and in WhatsApp, and they, helped me to get this. And indirectly, directly they are helping their friends also. Because this 80 question papers, 90 day study plan, everything free of cost. I'm not charging 1 rupee also. Some of the students called me and asked, Pawan sir, do we need to pay anything, while going forward? I said no. One student said, Pawan sir, I have enrolled for one test series. In the test series, they have given 2 question papers, and from third question paper onwards, if I want to look at third question paper, I need to pay money, then only I can see. I said, boss, for old syllabus students, 79 exams. For new syllabus students, 80 exams. Total, I am preparing 159 question papers, 159 suggested answers. Everything is free of cost, and there is no other intention, no commercial motive, and you don't need to pay anything till you write CA Inter examinations. Okay, so everything is taken care. Don't worry about it. Now this is group 1, group 2, how many of the students, and this is how they came to know about. And can you believe, via friends, 330 people came to know. Via friends, 384. Through WhatsApp, 330. So all these are through my students. I'm very thankful to you for that. Okay, chalo, this is not of much use to us. Now let us go to the useful information. So I am opening a new tab, www.capclassesonline.com, which is our website. Okay. So when you open capclassesonline.com, this is the home page you will be directed to. Now on the right hand side, if you see, if you are using PC or computer, it will be on the right hand side. This is there, no? Here, recent posts. So you need to look here. If you are using mobile phone, then first this part will come to you, and after that when you scroll down, recent post will come at the below. So this is a responsive site. If you open in mobile, it will automatically fit into mobile, because when you look at mobile, the mobile will be shorter. It is not in landscape, no, that will be in portrait. So in mobile, first this will come, after that new recent post will be there. Okay, so you need to go to recent post, and then if you are new syllabus students, click on the new syllabus link. If you are old syllabus students, click on the old syllabus link. So when you click on the new syllabus link, now what happened during the last couple of days, there is so much of the traffic in this website. Normally if the website traffic is X number of views a day, it has become all of a sudden some hundreds of X. So I have got a message from the server that there is abnormal activity of 18,000% more. So it got crashed the other day, but now everything is fine. If at all you open this website, if the server error 503 or something comes, don't worry, close the window, wait for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. After that you click, it works. It definitely works, because I have checked with my team, and yesterday because of this heavy traffic, I had to buy more space in that hosting panel in GoDaddy. That I have done, so there will be no problem now. So imagine you are a new syllabus student. I have clicked a new syllabus thing. Now in this study plan, there is a para called synopsis of the whole plan. This is very important for you to read this synopsis first. Okay, so this is where you understand the scheme. So the plan is for 90 days. It starts, both the preparation and the exam starts on 1st August. Students are asking, Pawan sir, what is the timing of the exam? My dear friend, there is no timing of the exam. I will upload the question paper at 10 o'clock, either through Telegram channel I'll give you, because in WhatsApp and other media it is impossible. Because if I give in WhatsApp, there is a limit of 256, something like that, for groups and broadcasts. How can I send it to 1200? Already it crossed 1100, and I have more than 1200, 1500 enquiries. So we have 3-4 more days to go. So I am expecting definitely more numbers. So it is not possible to give, to each and every person in WhatsApp. We have to use some technology. It could be a Telegram, or it could be, our website. So the plan is for 90 days. It covers all the 8 papers of both the groups. So if you are a single group student, like group 1 you are studying, you can view this. Group 2, you can view this. Both the groups, you can view this. That means this is a universal study plan which fits for everyone. Whether you are writing group 1 exams or group 2 exams or both the groups, this is a universal plan. So total 80 exams means on an average 10 exams per paper. Okay, and I have done a very scientific exercise before I prepared this. Each subject is divided into 7 to 8 parts. Each subject is divided into 7 to 8 parts. Okay, in this 7 to 8 parts, exam will be conducted in every part. First, one chapter exam will be conducted. Or if the chapter is small, 2 chapters put together, exam will be conducted. After 4 exams, 5th exam will be a common, combined test for 1, 2, 3, 4. So test 1 you have written in chapter 1, test 2 you have written, for example, chapter 2, test 3, chapter 3, test 4, chapter 4 and 5. So this is the syllabus of this 4. Test 5 will be accumulated syllabus of this 4. Okay, every day exam will be conducted for 35 marks, 1 hour exam. Because daily exam, more than 1 hour you cannot write. It is humanly impossible. Daily 1 hour if you write dedicatedly, that is more than enough. So 35 marks exam paper will come. 5 to 7 questions will be there in your exam paper. Okay, you need to write the exam. This combined test will be for 50 marks. Okay, and then at the end we'll have mock test. That will be for 100 marks. So what are we doing? First 4 parts, and then cumulative syllabus of first 4 parts. Next 4 parts, cumulative exam for next 4 parts, and then model exam. That means we are taking 9 to 10 exams per paper. And I have done one very good thing here. Students will ask the question, Pavan sir, should I read one paper continuously or should I do 3-4 papers every day? My dear friend, all your questions will be answered very scientifically with proven techniques. Okay, it is not that theoretically I am telling all these things. As a student, I have done this. I have done before, this total quality management programs. We call it TQM, academic plans in big institutes. I have done this, and this everywhere has given exceptionally good results. If normal batch result is 40%, this TQM result will be 70 to 80%. I'm not exaggerating. This has happened multiple times. So I will share the plan with you. Now look here. One strategic rest day is given every 10 days. After 10 days of test, 1 day rest. If you have done the 10 days syllabus already, 11th day, I strongly recommend relax down. Watch a movie or do your favorite thing, and you don't need to open the books also. But my dear friend, in this 10 days, if there are backlogs, no holiday for you. This rest day, you need to cover up the backlogs. Okay, if you have covered that in 10 days, 11th day, enjoy. If you have not covered the 10 day syllabus in 10 days, 11th day will be a reserve day for you, not a rest day. You need to work on that day. After every 4 tests, there will be a cumulative test. You understand? Then, this is, a kind of revision. This is a kind of revision. Towards the end, we have mock test. And there is no specific time to write the exam. As I told you, you can write exam whenever you want. Exam question paper will be given to you at morning 10 o'clock. After reading the question paper, don't open your books. No cheating. Your consciousness is your invigilator. I cannot invigilate the exam. Your consciousness is your invigilator. If you are following this, be very serious, be very formal. Okay, no cheating. Then, question paper will be given to you on daily basis. Okay, whether it is through telegram or email, I'll find some way or through website. I'll do something. I ensure that question paper will come to you at 10 o'clock. On the next day, suggested answers will be given to you through the same media. Okay, as we have already mentioned, it is absolutely free. About evaluation, I'll tell you after few minutes. So, what is your investment here? Your time is your investment. Now, look at this study plan. Look at this study plan. If you observe, I have taken one theory paper and one problematic paper. Okay, so accounting I have taken, EIS and SM I have taken. So, this is so strategically, so carefully prepared plan wherein I covered group 1, group 2. Theory paper, problematic paper. One day this, one day that. So, it is a combination. It is a combination. Now, imagine if you are a student appearing only one group. So there are so many students that are attending articles. There are so many students that are attending both the groups exam. There are so many students whose coaching is not yet complete. They are still undergoing their coaching. They are still undergoing their coaching. So they are tensed. Pavan sir, how can I follow? My dear friends, whether you are attending articles, whether you have study leave or whether you are undergoing coaching now, everybody can prepare this, because look here, what is the topic for first day exam? Accounting standard 1, accounting standard 2, accounting standard 3, accounting standard 10. 4 accounting standards you can complete in 3 to 4 hours. That's it. Or even for the first time you are opening book also, within 4-5 hours you can do that. Now imagine next day, if you are a single group student, next day you have a break. If you are both the group student, next day you have to read EIS. Why I have given this break is, till the date of exam the study plan is there. Till the date of your main CA exam, your study plan is there till the date of exam. Now interestingly, when will you revise? As a student, without revising the subject for 3 times, I will not go to the exam. If I am writing exam without 3 revisions, I am preparing myself to fail the exam. So you need to have 3 preparations. This gap between day to day is there, no? So you have schedule on 1st August and you have schedule on 3rd August. That second day is there, no? That is your revision day. That means out of 90 days plan, 45 days is for revision only, no? You understand? Now, Pavan sir, what if I am attending both the groups? If you are attending both the groups exam, then you should study for 8 to 10 hours. In that, 65% of the time should be allocated for today's portion. That means, say for example, second day EIS and SM, you are reading this EIS chapter 1 and 2. Okay, so if you prepare for 8 hours, 6 hours prepare EIS, 2 hours yesterday's accounting. Revision ho gaya. Then anyway you'll write combined exam. No, look here, on 9th of August you are writing combined test 1 to 4, another revision. Then you'll write mock exam, another revision. So this plan takes care of 3 revisions. This plan takes care of 3 revisions. Follow this, I'm telling you, definitely result will be positive. But the only thing is, you should not be lazy. After 4 or 5 days, if you are not following this, results won't come. As I told you earlier also, joining gym will never give you 6-pack. Daily going to gym and working out will give you 6-pack. If you pay the fee, you will not get the fitness. You subscribed to this scheme and you will get the study plan, you will get the test series, you will get the question papers, you will get the answer papers. That doesn't mean you will pass the exam unless you are preparing according to the plan and you are writing exams methodically. That means you should be very careful in, following the plan. You should be very careful in following the plan. Okay. So there is total 90 hours of, plan. So I have divided that into 8 slots. Slot 1, 10 days of work, 1 day rest. So every slot is ending with a rest day. So if you look at 11th day, it is a rest day. So slot 1 is over. Then slot 2. If you look at slot 2, then, again 10 days of work, 12th to 21st, 10 days of work, then again 11th day rest. I have shared this with one of the directors of one big academy in South India. He said, Pawan sir, this is exceptionally brilliant. Even commercially, if I am doing a project also, I will not be able to do this effectively. My dear friends, I am not, blowing my own trumpet, but I tell you, I have put lot of effort, lot of experience, lot of patience and, perseverance and a good intention to help you in writing this plan. If you are not using it, it is something like a resource is gifted to you by the God and you are misusing it. I am telling you. So please try to respect, your future. You have to be more dedicated, and if you do this properly, you are respecting my efforts and my contribution also. So this is slot 2, slot 3, slot 4, and all these things are there. Now if you see in every slot, okay, combined test will be there on the 5th day or 6th day. Combined test will be there for 5th day and 6th day. Two combined tests. Every slot will have 2 combined tests. And the beauty of this plan is, now look here, in slot 1 you have done accounting and EIS-SM. That means 50% of accounts is complete here, 50% of EIS and SM is complete here. Exactly, EIS part is complete here. Strategic management not yet started. Okay, so 50% of accounts is covered, 50% of EIS SM. That means 100% of EIS is covered. Now, next spell if you see, accounting and EIS are not getting repeated. Otherwise, what happens, 20 days you will be doing only 2 subjects. 1, you will be bored. 2, you will be tensed about what will happen to my remaining papers. I should read remaining papers also. No? So, we have done a strategic rotation. Okay, so in the next spell, you will be doing taxation and advanced accounting. Again, 1 paper from group 1, 1 paper from group 2. Then in spell 3, new papers will come. Law, FM and Echo. Law is coming here, FM and Echo is coming here. And, at the end again, you came with strategic management. EIS-SM, strategic management has come. You understand? And in the next slot, accounting, EIS and SM. Do you remember this is your slot 1? So slot 1 10 days is getting repeated after 20-30 days. What is the advantage? You will not lose the touch with the subject. Imagine 2 subjects you completed in the first slot and second slot, and then after 4-5 slots or 6-7 slots, again you are opening the book. Everything will be Greek and Latin. Everything will be Greek and Latin. That is the reason I rotated the subjects in such a way that every month you will open accounting, every month you will look at taxation, every month you look at costing. Every month. You understand? You understand? So this is the plan. Okay. So this planning part is over. Now, Pawan sir, what about the rest of the things? How I will receive the question paper? So let me tell you how to receive the question paper and answer paper. Again, this is my website. On the right hand side, if you are using mobile, I told you, bottom. If you are using laptop or PC, it will be on the right hand side. Can you see test series model question paper here? Test series suggested answers for model question paper here. So if you see this schedule, okay, in the schedule I have given test code. In the study plan, if you see, do you remember, I have given study code here. So test code. So A1, AAA1, A2, AAA2, A3, AAA3, CFM1, AAA4. So this is the test code. AAA means auditing and assurance. CFM means costing and FM. A means accounting. AM means advanced accounting. TX means taxation. Something like that. Now, if you see this, test paper, you have to open this test paper, model question paper. Every day with the exam code, the paper will be uploaded to our website. Okay. This includes academic work, lot of brain and effort, typing work, then putting it into graphic designing, then uploading and backlinking. So, you have to do at least, 7 to 8 activities. But still, I'm happy to say, I'm not taking the credit that I have done a lot. Having said that, yes, I have really done a lot. Now look here, this is the question paper, only dummy question paper, okay? This is financial management, and don't look at the headers, footers and all that says some accounting question paper and all. This is just for your dummy, for your understanding, for the demo. So question number 1 you can see, then question number 2 you can see, question number 3 you can see, then question number 4 you can see, then question number 5 you can see. This is the question paper, end. This is the end of question paper. So this 2 pages is your question paper. Okay, carefully drafted, carefully uploaded. Now if you observe, question number 1 is for 6 marks. Question number 2 is for 6 marks. 6 plus 6, 12. And 8. Question number 3 is for 8 marks. 12 plus 8, 20. Then 7, 27. And then 8. 27 and 8, 35. Exactly 35 marks, 1 hour. And I have considered theory also, like how ICI asks the questions. I will include MCQs also, not in every paper. Wherever it is relevant, wherever it is possible, I will include MCQs also. And look here, I have asked you theory also, so that it will be something like ICI. You will not be relaxed or you will not be lazy. No, you have to run on your toes. Having said that, it is a very practical thing. So, question paper you have downloaded, then you have written the exam. Now comes, Pavan sir, what is the evaluation? So many students are asking, Pavan sir, give us suggested answers, we will evaluate. Some of them are asking, will you give answer sheet and all? Some of them are asking, Pavan sir, will you evaluate? So when I have written the exam, how should I upload it to you? How should I send it to you? Should I send in WhatsApp and all? My dear friends, understand one thing. 1,200 students enrolled. Do you think humanly it is possible for any person to evaluate 1,200 papers? Don't you think it is impossible? Now take your calculator and calculate. If I take 10 minutes for evaluating one paper, 1,200 papers into 10 minutes will be 12,000 minutes, correct? 12,000 minutes, is it approx some 160, 170 hours? So I have 24 hours in a day and I should spend 170 hours. Even if I appoint a team of 10 people, 20 people also, it is humanly not possible. Okay, so evaluation should be done by you. My duty is, I will give you suggested answer sheet with a breakup of, for which part how many marks can be allocated. That expert advisory thing I can give you. And if it is really required, I'll give you examiner's comments also. Like these are the important things in this problem. This is where students are doing a mistake. That kind of commentary I might be able to give. I'm not promising, but I try to give that to you. But what is promised here? Question paper will be given to you every day. Next day, answer paper will be given to you. Pavan sir, how the answer paper will be? Again, same, here only it is there. Test series, suggested answer, click it. When you open test series, suggested answer, see, suggested answer. Problem number 1, stepwise. If you observe 7 steps in the working notes, 7 steps, and then 1 P&L, 1 balance sheet. So, in 5 marks, this will be 1 mark. This will be 1 mark. That means your balance sheet is 1 mark, your P&L is 1 mark, and your working notes contains 3 marks. If it is for 5 marks. If it is for 6 marks, it can be trading P&L balance sheet 3 marks, working notes 3 marks. You understand? And then this problem number 2, this is the solution. In problem number 2 also, if you observe, there are 2 parts. Okay, problem number 5, there are 2 parts. So, we'll upload all the papers like this. Then you can look at part 1 income statement, that is working note, part 2 ratios. So for first part 3 marks is to be given, for second part 2 marks is to be given. Now you'll easily understand when you are evaluating yourself. Operating leverage, did you get 1.48? Yes, 1 mark. Did you get combined leverage 2.05? Yes, 1 mark. Did you get EPS? Yes, 1 mark. Did you do this working out? Yes, 3 marks. 6 marks. So I will help you out in evaluation. So suggested answers definitely will be given to you like this. Every day question paper will be there. Next day, second day's question paper will be there. First day's answer paper will be there. So I request you to subscribe to Cap Classes Telegram channel, wherein we keep all these things regularly. You might ask, Pawan sir, some of the students are asking, Pawan sir, I don't have Telegram, send it in WhatsApp. My dear friend, in WhatsApp there is a limitation. We will not be able to do in WhatsApp for all the numbers. And for every individual student, I cannot follow one media. No, please try to understand constraints from my side also. Administratively, it should be comfortable. Even if I have a team, I cannot torture my team. No. So my team also should breathe. So 3 people are working round the clock for this, including me. So Telegram channel, join, and you can see all the question papers and answer papers there. And most importantly, you look at capclassesonline.com, then you can see all these question papers, all these answer papers on the right hand side of the website. Okay, this is so simple thing, you don't need to do anything, just open your mobile and type capclassesonline.com. And another thing I am telling you, if you view my website for more times, I will not be paid 1 paisa also, because it is not a monetized website. If you see, one advertisement also will not be there. So there is no intention, there is no commercial intention of asking you to look at the website. Some overacting students will be there, hyperly, unnecessarily smart. They will feel like, okay, he is asking 1,000 people to come and visit his website, he will get money. How will I get money if it is not a monetized website? There are no advertisements. Can you see any advertisement in the whole website? Nowhere. So it is not a monetized website. I have not even applied for monetization, and I do not have intention also to apply for monetization. Now, at least. So, there is no intention of asking you to come to this website. The only intention is, in WhatsApp, there is a limitation. So, Telegram, there is no limitation. Website, our website, we can do whatever we want, no limitation. So exam paper will come like this, answer paper will come like this. So I hope you understand the whole, the modus operandi on how this works. So I wish you very good luck. Please take this opportunity as a, very good chance to you, so that you can accelerate your preparation. Please, be dedicated. Why I have cut this into 8 slots is, even by mistake, you have done a blunder. To err is human, as it is rightly said. You missed some days in slot 1. It is something like a train. It is stopping in the next station. Get into the train again. Slot 2 you have to start without break. Slot 2 complete. Even if 1-2 days of slot 2 missed, slot 3, again the train came. Another opportunity. Get in. Get in. This is how it should be. Backup plan. And another thing is, if you are doing, single group, my dear friends, out of 11 days, 5 days you are working, 6 days rest is there. What more you want? Now tell me one thing. If you cannot even do this, how can you, pass the exam? Tell me. So again, I am opening the study plan. If you cannot do, this study plan, if you see in the study plan, what is the syllabus? First day, chapter 3 is accounting standards. In that only 1, 2, 3, 10 is there. Remaining accounting standards 11, 12, 16 you are doing on third day. EIS, 1 chapter you are reading here, chapter 3 you are reading here, chapter 1 and 2 you are reading here, chapter 4 you are reading here. That means, can't you read 1 chapter in 2 full days if you are a single group student? If you are both the group student, already you applied for both the groups, means psychologically you must have prepared already to work double the shift, no? So you should be able to complete this. My dear friend, I'll tell you one thing. There cannot be a reasonable, realistic, practical plan better than this. Okay, I am not trying to say that I have done a great job. Why I am telling these many times is, this works. Have faith, this works. That is the reason I am telling you again and again that this is a better plan. I am not saying this is a better plan to, give credit to me. I am doing this again to give trust to you to have a push. Okay, so this is what the plan is. Thank you so much for the trust you have shown. And if your friends are there who wants to write the exams free of cost, who wants to download the study plans, and I'll be giving so many more study plan tips and all also with this test series. Okay, so I'll try to help you out with your answers, and I'll be putting more efforts. So if your friends are there who are doing CA intermediate or IPCC, ask them to subscribe to this and write the exams. Okay, this is how you have to pass the exams. Trust me, seriously, when I was studying CA inter and final, I was craving for some mentor who can give this kind of study plan and who can monitor me. If you join, this Telegram channel or any of the social media of Cap Classes, every day we send you motivational quotes. Every day we try to give you a new push. Every day is a new opportunity. So get up and, do something productively. So we try to spread the positivity. My only intention is to spread the positivity. If you have a phobia, if you have stress, if you have the anxiety, if you feel 4 subjects, how can I read these big subjects and all? My genuine intention is to help you. You cannot eat this pizza. You cannot eat this pizza once. That is the reason, my dear friend, pizza is cut into 8 pieces. If you are ordering small pizza, 4 pieces, that is single group. If you are ordering big pizza, 8 pieces, that is both the groups. So make it into a small piece, take it. That piece also you cannot swallow. So cut it and chew it properly. So that one piece of pizza you are eating in 9 days. That 9 parts. What can be a better plan than this? Better plan, more than this. So I wish you very good luck. Please use this opportunity. Spread this word to your friends also. And loving you all, and I genuinely thank you for all the support, faith and the trust you have in me and in Cap Classes. Thank you so much. Good luck. Stay blessed.